Hi guys, today we're going to be making our sock snowmans. So in your kit you should have gotten a white sock, a blue, gray, and white fuzzy sock that looks like this. You should have gotten 3 buttons. You've also gotten a bag of rice, also some rubber bands, some black and orange paint, and a paintbrush. And then the other materials you'll need is a hot glue gun and scissors. So let's get started. I'm going to pull you guys down so you can see what I'm doing. So first you're going to take your sock, and the bag of rice I'm going to give you should make a full snowman about this size. It's up to you if you want to use all of it, or if you have extra rice you can put more in it. It's up to you. So you can put that whole bag into your sock snowman. So I'm going to show you an easy trick on how to do this so you don't have to try to pour it in the small hole. You're going to put your rice in a cup. My cup's just a little bit smaller, but you can use a bigger one. Put your whole bag of rice or whatever can fit in your cup in the cup, and then you take the hole where you put your foot in, and we're just going to wrap it around there until it's all the way around like that, and then you're just going to dump it right in. That's definitely going to be the easiest way to get all the rice into your sock, and it's going to turn out kind of like this. So once you have it like this, you can kind of form the shape that you want of it by just like playing around with it. Just use your hands to make a good shape. So next we're going to add the rubber band on the top so we can close this so it's not open. The sock's going to be longer than this. Mine's just cut because I already prepped this sock. So we're going to use the rubber band and you're going to tie it around a couple times. I do this super quick, but just tie it around a couple times until it's super tight. Do as many as you can until it's super tight. So next you're going to add some hot glue to the tip. This is optional. This is just to keep it closed and secure. So you're going to add some hot glue to the tip of this so none of the rice comes out. But like I said, it's optional. If your rubber band's pretty tight and secure, you probably won't need this step. So next that we have this all closed, it's going to have like a long piece at the end, so you can either cut it off like I did, or you can leave it because it's going to be under a little sock hat that I'll show you how to do later. So next, like I said, form your snowman again. We're going to put a rubber band about halfway down or wherever you think you like it, and then you can either just keep it kind of like that, but if you want more of a circle snowman shape, I would just twist it and go over it again. And then just make sure your rubber bands are lined up. So it's going to make a nice tight indent so you can see the head and then the body. And it's up to you on how you want to do it. You can make the head smaller and the body bigger, or you can make it the same size, whatever you want. So after you do that, we're going to take our blue sock that I have right here. And on my sock, I kind of already cut it already. So this is going to look like we're going to make the hat and the scarf out of this blue sock. So once you see this blue sock, we're going to cut right where you see where the toes go. This is going to be your hat on this part. So where the toes go is going to be your hat. So we're going to cut, you see where the heel is. You can see it pretty well. It's like a blue tip at the middle of the sock, and that's where your heel will go. We're going to cut above that. So you can cut any, I would do a little bit higher because it might be too long if you cut right here. So where the blue heel, maybe skip this line and then cut right here. And that give you a good size sock, a good size hat. If you want the hat a little bit longer, maybe cut right here. So heel, maybe I would skip one and then do this one for a longer one, or this one for a little bit shorter. And you might want to make the hat shorter even after. So I already have mine cut, and I'm just going to put it on my snowman. That's kind of what it looks like. So next you'll have this part of the sock left over once you cut the hat out, and we're going to use that as the scarf. So this is kind of what it looks like. I just cut 2 just to pick which one I like better. And by doing that, you're just going to cut a strip right here. So you can either choose the pattern right here if you want the blue and the gray more, you can cut that strip out, or you can do a thicker strip with the white, or cut like both of them and make it a thicker scarf, because mine's pretty thin, as you can see. That was this blue and gray one is this blue and gray strip right here, and it is a little bit thinner. So if you want a little bit of a thicker scarf, I would cut like maybe this whole section, this white and the gray, do like a large one. And then once you do that, it will stretch out. Obviously this is a lot longer, so this does stretch out very nicely. And we're gonna put that right around our snowman, just like this. So it's either optional if you want to hot glue it in place. You can either just tie it like that and kind of play with how you want the strings, or if you want to just have it cross, you can do it like that and have them cross. So it's up to you on how you want to do it. I know there's a lot of fuzzies on the sock. Maybe go over a garbage can and kind of like get some of the fuzzy balls out of the sock. And same with the tip of the hat. It was kind of frizzy on the bottom, so I just cut it again very lightly just to clean up the tip of it so it looks a little bit better. And after that, you probably want to pick off all the fuzzies that you have on your snowman just to clean them up. So I'm just going to put him right like this real quick. I also gave you some buttons, so the buttons are optional as well. I gave you 3 buttons, and you can put them down kind of like where his belly area is, and I gave you 3 of them. So you can do that as well. You can use all 3, you can use 2, you can use 1, it's up to you. And then you can make your face. So I gave you orange and black paint, so you can use it to make the dots for the eyes, and then the carrot nose, and then the dots for his mouth. So that's basically it, and that's how you make your sock snowman. So if you guys have any other questions, just contact me. And if you guys make this, take a picture, send it to me on our Facebook or our email, or you can come in and show me. I hope you guys enjoy your sock snowmans, and I'm sorry about the mess you probably collect from them, but I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.